खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर का जो ऑडिशन था, it would have been the 937th audition I've given. Even if you come from a background and if you know people, nothing is handed to you. You have to earn it.
आप मिथुन चक्रवर्ती के बेटे हो वो नहीं, लेकिन वो आपके पिता हैं.
Exactly.
ये मिमो के पिता हैं. वो जो recognition मिलता है, वो I think सबसे बड़ा award होता है.
And especially to a parent, especially to a child. कि यार, हाँ, you can. I didn't mean to do that to you.
No, I mean it's very.
Yeah, but I think Haunted has been one of the best films I've seen. But now it's going to be Haunted 2 because I have shot the film. So
Ghosts of the past, right?
Ghosts of the past, yes.
Yeah.
Very soon you're going to get a release date. You're going to get a poster of it. But अब मुझे याद है He the Only One जो फिल्म नहीं बनी, उसके लिए मैंने फर्स्ट शॉट गाने में किया था. गाना था रेमो सर कोरियोग्राफर थे. मैं वैनिटी में हिल रहा हूँ, मैं काँप रहा हूँ. बिकॉज इमेजिन जो मैं बड़ा पड़ा हुआ हूँ फिल्मों के साथ, फाइनली मेरा फर्स्ट शॉट है,
हो रहा है,
तो वो होता ही है. तो अभी हम लोग जो भूत की बात कर रहे हैं ना कि यार मैं तो ये आई लव, सामने आ जाए ना सब ऑफ हो जाएगा, दिमाग सब ऑफ हो जाएगा. वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू.
Yeah, I agree.
Hey guys, this is me, Mimo Chakravarti, and you're watching me on GujaratiMidday.com. Thank you.
GujaratiMidday.com સાથે આજે વાત કરી રહ્યા છે મિમો ચક્રવર્તી. આ નામ તમારા બધા માટે નવું નથી. આ ચહેરો પણ તમે જાણો છો. એક બહુ જ ધાંસુ વેબ શો ખાખી ધ બંગાળ ચેપ્ટર બધાને બહુ જ ગમ્યો છે. બહુ ફેબ્યુલસ શો છે અને એમને ભૂતો સાથે પણ કંઈક સંબંધ છે. આજે આપણે એમની સાથે વાત કરીશું.
Thank you. You're too kind. Thank you.
सो पहला सवाल, आपने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज दिए हैं, ऐसी कौन सी बात है जो आपको पूछी ही नहीं गई?
पूछी नहीं गई. That's a good question. I think what is Mimo when he's not working? I think वो है क्या है. And Mimo is a very simple guy. मतलब I am an avid reader, तो मैं पढ़ता हूँ. I like writing. I love movies. In fact, अभी हाल ही की में एक इंग्लिश फिल्म लगने वाली Warfare, तो मुझे देखनी है. So I'm very excited about that. Yes, very excited. I'm a very big fan of war films and biopics, and Warfare has been directed by a director जिसने लास्ट Civil War की थी. और एक फिल्म आई थी Civil War, amazing film. The same director. So I'm like, I have to see this film. कब मैं देख पाऊंगा, So I'm a big movie buff, and I'm also a very avid gamer. So I have a very strong gaming community. तो हम लोग रात को सब लोग मिलते हैं, हेडफोन्स लगा के हम लोग एक साथ गेम खेलते हैं, अपोनेंट्स को गाली देते हैं, चिल्लाते हैं. तो इट्स अ वे ऑफ थेरेप्यूटिक वे ऑफ रिलीज. यस, हम लोग
किसी को जाके थप्पड़ तो नहीं मार सकते गेम में.
एग्जैक्टली, गाली दे दो, चैट में गाली दे दो, बट हम लोग वैसे करते हैं. नहीं, बट इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी थेरेप्यूटिक बिकॉज क्या होता है जब मैं हेडफोन्स लगाता हूँ, आई स्विच ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, तो वो 3-4 घंटे आई एम जस्ट प्लेइंग माय गेम
जस्ट विद योरसेल्फ.
Yes, absolutely.
That's lovely. That's fabulous. तो आपने बताया कि आप जब एक्टिंग नहीं करते तब आप क्या करते हैं, बट लोगों को आपका स्क्रीन पर्सोना पता है. लोग जानते हैं कि आप क्या हैं ऑन स्क्रीन. आपने खुद बोला कि मैं बहुत सिंपल हूँ, बट ऐसी कौन सी 3 चीजें हैं आपके बारे में जो ज्यादातर लोगों को नहीं पता है?
आई एम अ लोनर. आई एंजॉय माय ओन कंपनी.
सॉलिट्यूड?
यस, नॉट इवन लाइक आई वुड से लाइक आई एंजॉय माय ओन कंपनी. जैसे कि लाइक व्हेन माय वाइफ यूज्ड टू शूट फॉर अनुपमा, तो शी वुड बी बिजी 24/7. आप जानते हो डेली सोप का कैसा है. बट तो फिर जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, आई एम अ बिग मूवी बफ, तो मैं पिक्चर जाके अकेले देख सकता हूँ. लाइक आई डोंट माइंड वॉचिंग मूवीज अलोन इन अ थिएटर. और ऐसा हुआ है कि 2-3 फिल्में ऐसी हुई है, इंक्लूडिंग सिविल वॉर. सिविल वॉर, हैलोवीन 3 एंड शंग-ची जो मार्वल की आई थी, ये तीनों फिल्में आई वाज द ओनली गाय इन द थिएटर.
वाह,
आई एम लाइक, कैन यू इमेजिन, लाइक मैं बैठा,
बड़ी खुशी हो क्या सकती है.
इमेजिन. एंड हैलोवीन 2 आल्सो मुझे याद है बिकॉज आई एम अ बिग हॉरर फैन. तो एग्जैक्टली, तो आप जान, तो मुझे याद है इन्फिनिटी जो तब अपना जो इन्फिनिटी मलाड, तो जो पीवीआर था, तो हैलोवीन 2 लगी थी. तो उन्होंने मुझे आके बोला कि सर आप अकेले हैं, हम लोग लगा दे. मैंने बोला प्लीज लगा दे, मेरे को देखनी है. पर मैंने बोला देख सुन, मैं अकेला हूँ, तो तू इंटरवल मत डाल, जस्ट लेट इट प्ले. तो मैंने पूरी पिक्चर एक साथ देखी.
मतलब आपको ऐसा वो मुकेश को बीड़ी पीते हुए मरते हुए नहीं देखना पड़ा ना.
एग्जैक्टली.
लकी यू.
So yes, so I'm a guy who loves his own company, and I can go to a restaurant and eat alone also, because I'm like यार दो भी I'm sitting, I have my YouTube and I'm very sorted.
I understand this so much because I crave for that, and I mean I'm in a field where I have to talk to people and I literally die कि बस कोई बात ना करे मुझसे, आधा घंटा मुझे ऐसा मिल जाए.
it is such an इतना जैसे आपने कहा solitude, because you have to be with yourself.
Yeah.
एक टाइम होता है कि you just need to be by yourself.
Yeah. And even if you are reading, watching something, it's a pleasure that you're giving to yourself. I don't want to use the word, but you exactly know what I'm saying.
No, but I
It's
completely
just
get
your
it.
joy. Personal, private joy, nothing else. No nonsense.
You owe that to yourself. कि यार ये मैं अपने आप के लिए करूँ. So yeah.
Self-love.
Self-love, yes. That I know that it's connected
Yeah.
to spirituality और ये सब, but it is spiritual. Self-love
Of
is
course.
very, very important.
ऐसा भी कहा जाता है कि when you love yourself, you receive more also.
Absolutely.
फट ओपन होता है.
Absolutely.
अब रिसीविंग की बात कर रहे हैं हम. आप काफी पेशेंट रहे हो बहुत सारी चीजों में, करियर के मामले में भी. कभी गुस्सा आया, कभी थक गए, कभी मायूस हुए?
All of the above. सब कुछ. गुस्सा भी आया, मायूसी भी हुई, थक भी गया, बहुत थक गया. Like कितना और भाई कब होगा? You know what I mean? But then वही होता ना कि अगर आप believe करो, if you believe in the beauty of your dreams, then you don't give up. You know, because वही तो है कि जब आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं गिव अप करूंगा, उसी वक्त ही चीजें बदल जाती हैं. तो अभी आप समझिए कि खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर का जो ऑडिशन था, it would have been the 937th audition I've given. Example thereof. Like it's been so many
Yes.
auditions, but you have to keep doing it because that's an actor's job. You know, nothing has been given to you. Even if you come from a background and if you know people, nothing is handed to you. You have to earn it. And when you earn it, उसका एक अलग मजा है. Like for example, like today अभी आपके इंटरव्यू से पहले मैंने डैड से बात की. तो डैड ने बोला कि मीमो मैं उधर कोलकाता में हूँ, तो देयर इज अनदर माय को स्टार कम्स अप टू मी, वो बोलते हैं कि हमने मीमो को देखा खाकी में, टेल हिम ही इज डन अ ग्रेट जॉब. सी मैं आपको
It's
क्यों
so
कह
hard
रहा
for
हूँ,
me.
यस मैं आपको
मतलब मुझे
क्यों
अच्छा लग रहा है,
इमेजिन
आपको तो कितना अच्छा लगा होगा.
सोचिए, बिकॉज आई अर्नड इट. इट्स नॉट टू शो ऑफ टू द वर्ल्ड
Like-
देखो मैं क्या हूँ, बट इट्स बिकॉज आई अर्नड इट थ्रू द राइट वे. उसका एक अलग मजा है.
मतलब फाइनली समवेयर दैट बिगिनिंग के आप मिथुन चक्रवर्ती के बेटे हो वो नहीं, लेकिन वो आपके पिता हैं.
Exactly.
ये मिमो के पिता हैं. वो जो रिकग्निशन मिलता है वो आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड होता
And
है.
especially to a parent, especially to a
बहुत.
child. कि यार
Why am I getting
हाँ,
emotional?
no, you can. I don't mean to do that to you.
No, I
but
mean it's very.
yeah, like you can understand कि यार, like for me, for last 17 years, I'm just been waiting to hear somebody telling something to my
him.
father about me
Wow.
and to my mother. You know,
I
like
know, I know
mom's
what
getting
you're
messages,
saying. Yeah.
my dad. So like them getting it is more important than I'm getting. मुझे तो आप लोग इतना प्यार दे ही रहे हो, but to for them to see it.
You know, it's a funny example, but वो पीटीए में टीचर मम्मी पापा को बोलते हैं ना कि यार आपके बेटे ने अच्छा किया मैथ्स में, तब वो जो खुशी मिलती है.
Nothing in the world can compare to that, because क्या है, like see, as a child, as a even as a parent,
Yeah.
that is what we crave for. That's
Of
what life
course.
life में वही matter करता है. You know, like today now when I talk about my siblings, my younger brother
Yeah.
is now one who works in LA.
Yeah.
वो अभी he's working in Warner Brothers. He's going higher up every year. Every year now he's going to go into production. As a brother, I feel so proud. Namoshi.
Yeah.
He did Bad Boy. Now he's doing Delhi Files with Vivek Agnihotri. As a brother, I've been on set. I've seen him work. क्या वो एक फीलिंग होती है कि मेरा भाई, my sister, she did a short film in LA, उसको कितने awards मिल गए बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस के. As a brother, you feel so proud. तो जैसे आपने कहा अभी, that will never go away. That feeling ना कि यार through someone you hear something.
I think कितना भी वैलिडेशन रिकग्निशन कितना भी मिले, लेकिन घर के लोग जब वो
उनको
feel-
मिलता है ना,
हाँ,
आपके लिए
उनको मिलता है, या तो आपको लेकर उनको कोई कुछ बताता है,
वो फीलिंग
बड़ा
तो
कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
that's the biggest joy in life. Biggest joy.
True.
Yes.
आखिरी बार डांस कब किया था?
आखिरी बार डांस कब किया था मैं? आई डोंट थिंक आई एम अ वेरी गुड डांसर. तो मैं
Come on.
नहीं अभी you've seen so much.
You're a good dancer. I mean, चलो very good, हम ऐसा bestest ऐसा नहीं, but you have your moves.
Thank you, but it takes a lot of practice to do
Of
that,
course
you
it
know.
is.
But
does.
I think last मैंने डांस किया था. I rarely go to house parties. Like I only go to my cousin's house for house parties. उधर मैं करता हूँ. जब भी मुझे force किया जाता है, I'm like भाई मेरे को मत बोल, and then they drag me and then I do like a small 30 सेकंड बस, उससे ज्यादा मेरी कैपेसिटी
ज्यादा?
नहीं नहीं I'm okay
वेरी वेरी रियल साइज।
यस 30 सेकंड तक
खत्म।
चलता है, उससे अभी गाना पूरा नहीं करूंगा।
हाँ।
ये करके गाने गए थैंक यू देन आई गो अवे। हाँ वैसे
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर शो खाकी द बंगाल चैप्टर। आपने आई थिंक बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज में पहले आप बता चुके हो कि ऑडिशन कैसे हुआ, रोल कैसे मिला आपको, कितना वेट करना पड़ा। ये जो मूछें आपके कैरेक्टर ने रखी थी उसकी क्या अहमियत है? मुझे सीरियस क्वेश्चंस पूछने ही नहीं
I'm happy it's something new because मेरी ऑलरेडी मुझे है तो
Yeah.
उस वक्त हाँ, तो बट जब हमने लुक टेस्ट किया था वी हैड टू रिड्यूस द साइज ऑफ
Size
द
of,
मुस्टैच।
yeah.
या एंड इन फैक्ट दैट इज द फर्स्ट डे व्हेन आई मेट नीरज पांडे सर।
Okay.
हम लोगों ने उनके ऑफिस में
In
लुक टेस्ट
person
किया था
वाला, हाँ।
एंड आई वाज ऑलरेडी लाइक दे हैव सिलेक्टेड मी कि मैं लुक टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, बट देन आई वाज लिटिल बिट नर्वस कि यार लुक टेस्ट हो रहा है, नीरज पांडे सर का ऑफिस है, इतनी बड़ी आई मेड इट हियर बाय माई सेल्फ। एंड देन नीरज सर लंच खा रहे थे तो उन्होंने मुझे बस 1 सेकंड के लिए बुलाया बिकॉज डायरेक्टर सर लोगों को पूछना था कि कितनी लेंथ रखनी है, तो उन्होंने 1 सेकंड आए मीमो हाउ आर यू वेलकम, हाँ इसके ये इतना कम कर लो बस, एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड ईटिंग बिकॉज आई कुडंट इंटरवीन। तो दैट इज व्हेन द फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर 20 seconds आई हैड इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ टू नीरज पांडे सर। तब वो बात, एंड दैट इज हाउ दिस थिंग केम कि यार SIT ऑफिसर है, it's not appreciate कि इनको रखना चाहिए but it's more like an identity, it's more intimidation.
It's more manly.
Yes,
and
more intimate, more as I say intimidating
yeah.
because
Your character is
yes
like that.
yes,
वो हर
it
सीन में
is
लोगों को
more
इंटिमिडेट करता रहता है।
authoritative.
हाँ।
I think
हाँ।
we connect a mustache with a man for being more authoritative. तो वो psychologically play करता है शायद।
हाँ।
So that is why they wanted that look. Yeah.
और एक है ना माइंडसेट है, लाइक आई हैव बीन सीइंग यू बिकॉज आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर this time to
Interview.
come and talking to you. Broad shoulders, tall, lovely frame,
Thank
sharp
you,
features,
thank you.
very very nice eyes, I have to tell
Thank you, thank you.
And you played a cop. So एक generally एक वो एक होता है कि अगर कॉप है तो उसकी आवाज तो ऐसे विजय दीनानाथ चौहान. Your voice has a very different texture.
Yes.
It has a different appeal
Yes.
also.
Yes.
And it's sexy.
Thank you. Thank you.
मतलब ऐसा होता है कि डबिंग ये वो आपको कभी because you wanted to become an actor and you already said that आपने almost 1000 जितने तो auditions दिए हैं, आपको कभी ये because your voice is different, it has a different kind of texture. Were you
Yeah.
ever conscious or did you think about it कि यार डबिंग तो नहीं करना है मुझे?
नहीं, at the start I was conscious because अभी आप जो आवाज देख रहे हैं ना इसमें बेस आ गया है, पहले तो ऐसी थी, बिल्कुल ऐसी है।
Oh really?
Yeah, it was very squeaky, ऐसी थी पहले। अब जाके थोड़ा सा अभी because of age and maturity अभी थोड़ी अभी
You
बेस
have
आ
crossed
गई।
40?
Yes.
You think the crossing 40
Yeah,
has
yeah.
been very
Yeah. I'm 41. I'm going to be in a few months.
wilder,
But
huh?
yeah. Because क्या होता है like for us now for men, it's like I have observed this. After 40 is
I
when
know,
the
I
real
know.
maturity kicks in.
Ask a woman.
Exactly.
हम बच्चों को काफी देर तक बड़ा होने देना पड़ता है। बच्चे I mean.
I know. Men, boys. We all have gone through it. Mom, like 20 years पहले अगर आप मुझे question पूछते that it would be like, why aren't you mature? Grow up. You're just a kid. सुनाई देता है. But then after 40 is when they take you seriously,
Yeah.
which is fine. That's biology. That's the way it works. But yes, as coming back to your thing, it has been age. It has automatically ऐसे आवाज आ गई है.
Okay.
And I think the more age comes, the more the bass starts kicking in. Yes.
एक ठहराव भी आता है
Yes.
शायद।
But thank you. आपने texture कहा. In fact, one of the trolls on online said कि I sound like Donald Duck. So I'm like, I'm a big fan of Donald Duck though.
I also love Donald.
I think his grumpiness
He's
is pretty
cute.
cute. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, but
He's angry and Uncle Scrooge has so much money.
yeah, and
That's not fair.
no, you become grumpy when you have so much of money. You're like always like this. My wife
because you're-
wife says I have Uncle Scrooge face. Like I do that. She pulls my leg. She does that. So I have the Uncle Scrooge syndrome. So yeah.
I don't think so. You have a Donald Duck voice. I mean,
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
I appreciate that, but yes, but then
because I am a very voice person, so.
so yes, so coming from you, it's a big thing for me. But yes, आपने तो texture का, उन्होंने तो Donald Duck का. So I'm like, that's a win. That's a win.
Did you feel bad about people trolling you and
They will
saying
troll
things?
me either way.
Or you have stopped taking
I-
these things
I
seriously?
to try to even respond to them, but they don't respond back. Huh? just for kicks.
Wow.
They are no, why? Because see, it's a social experiment. अगर आप देखो तो
True.
क्या होता है कि somebody, let's say somebody has angst towards you. उन्होंने see it comes from a negative space. As a normal human being, I will never just come across you and say bad things about you. It comes from a very dark negative place, correct? Because they are going through
They
something.
are insecure. They are suffering.
Something about
They
their
are
life is
virtual.
not right.
You can't see them. So
Yes.
जो
So
बोलना है वो बोल देंगे.
exactly. तो उन्होंने तो काम कर दिया. Now, how do you respond? You respond with kindness. You say, "Okay, I am sorry, I disappointed you. I will try to improve." But then they don't reply. They're like, "Okay, now I did my part in that."
अरे ये तो इसने तो अच्छा जवाब दे दिया. अब तो यार ये तो गुस्सा नहीं हो पाया. ऐसा होता है ना.
वो होता है.
हाँ,
When you respond to with kindness towards anger, anger dissipates.
True.
So it's a social experiment. I try to do it all the time, and then I don't get any replies. So ऐसा होता है.
मेरे सामने एक ऐसा बंदा बैठा है जो ऐसे बहुत फिलोसॉफिकल बातें करता है, एक ठहराव है, डांस भी अच्छा कर लेता है और
30 seconds.
30 अच्छा 30 सेकंड्स वाला
30 seconds
सेकंड्स वाला
preview
डांस
का वाला,
बहुत
हाँ,
अच्छा
then
कर
again
लेता
like
है.
I don't want to.
किताबें पढ़ने का शौक रखता है
जी.
और एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स इज समथिंग दैट यू
Yeah, astrophysics. Yes, I'm
And,
recently reading. He's become my favorite author now. Ryan Holiday. He's
Okay,
a
yeah.
he's not. He believes in stoicism. You know, because
Oh,
stoicism is
stoicism,
about
yeah.
being center, even though you're happy or sad, you do not get affected. So that's an art which you
गम
know.
और खुशी का फर्क ना महसूस हो जाना.
Exactly. Marcus Aurelius
Yeah,
ने कहा था वो.
yeah.
So he is very much inspired by Marcus Aurelius.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
उसकी मैं किताबें पढ़ रहा हूँ अभी. So I'm a big fan of. He has conversations. He does not give self-help books. वो
ज्ञान
बातें
नहीं
करता है.
देते हैं.
Yes.
सो इतना कुछ मतलब इट्स अ लवली कॉकटेल. आप अनुपमा देखते थे?
Of course. Every episode.
ओके.
My wife's in it, of course.
मतलब कभी वो घर पे आया और बोला कि क्या मतलब से ऐसा नहीं करते, क्या कर रहे हो तुम, ऐसा बोला कभी?
In fact, I would tell her कि यार ये जो twist हुआ है ना ये बहुत अच्छा है. Because I would see I'm biased towards her ना.
Sweet.
I'm biased towards her.
So
So I would see कि यार what benefit is Kavya getting out of this? You know, she would never come and tell me the story because I'm like, don't tell me, I want to see.
Yeah.
So when you see, I'm like, oh, ये twist हुआ है अभी. So that way. So we would make sure that she would not tell me and I would react like an audience. Then I would give her an honest opinion कि देखो मुझे लगा इस एपिसोड में शायद ये जस्टिफाई नहीं हुआ. अगर मुझे पहले से ही पता है then I will not react that way. So she will not get the inputs of a audience, you know.
Yeah. When we were growing up, like I remember हम जब अच्छा ये तो ऊटी में मिथुन जी के होटल के पास शूट हुआ है ये वो. So he was a very, I mean, lot of actors, lot of stars from yesteryears also very sharp, they are working, they are investing, एक diversification भी कर लिया है और तो acting सिर्फ एक चीज नहीं है जिस पे your finances are dependent and stuff
Absolutely.
like that. I think you have also gotten involved into the business.
Yes,
part.
very much.
Yeah.
Like we have जैसे आपने mention किया ऊटी का होटल.
हाँ,
We have
मतलब ऊटी सोचो तो सबसे पहले अरे विसुंदा का होटल
Yes.
वही याद आता है. It's very funny.
that's
but
a huge
yeah.
accomplishment, yeah, because it's something
Yeah.
very big. So we have a hotel in Ooty, we have a resort below Ooty, and we just opened a hotel in Bangalore now next to the
fantastic.
airport. So a part of me always is a part of the hotel business. Yes, because whenever dad's busy, I'll make sure I go down
Yeah.
there and I take a look at the properties, see how it's everything running. When I'm busy, he's over there. So we have this kind of a mutual agreement.
Balance.
Yes,
Yeah.
balance. कि आप कभी जाओ कभी मैं जाऊंगा वैसा. Yeah.
Sweet.
And I really enjoy it though. It's not like मैं कर रहा हूँ because करना है. Yeah. You get to learn something
Yeah.
every day. Yeah.
किसी लड़की से बहुत अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला हो ऐसा हुआ है?
You mean before marriage or after marriage? Because after marriage has only been my wife.
मतलब आफ्टर मैरिज वाला आपने याद नहीं रखा है.
मुझे पता भी नहीं कि वो हुआ है. अगर हो भी हो गया तो my brain is not responding to that conversation.
शाबाश.
यार ऐसा कुछ हुआ है.
मदाल सा शाबाश.
मुझे पता ही नहीं. What does that even mean? कि compliment क्या होता है? No. She's a very good friend of mine, Maddie. But I think ये हुआ है कि I believe that what Maddie told me, I think that's the best compliment I've been given, is that she said that I have become a better person meeting you. And I think that I believe in that also. Like marriage has changed me. Like I have become a better person. I've become a more sound person, more ground person. But पहले क्या होता है, like I'm not saying that marriage is for everyone and it's a good thing or a bad thing. It's just that
Each to their own.
each to their own, absolutely. But before settling down, you are not settled down. there is a reason
एक
we say
एंकर
settled down.
एंकर नहीं होता, इमोशनल एंकर
Yes.
जो
There is a reason we call it settling down because we are all over the place, right? But then we marry and then we settle down. We're like, okay, fine, this is home. Like I tell her that I don't come back to my house, I come back to my home. Because that's the home, you build a home. A house is where you live, but a home is what you build. And that only happens when you have someone to build it with.
आपके पापा ने जो भी फिल्में की हैं उसमें से कोई एक फिल्म का अगर रीमेक बने तो वो कौन सी होनी चाहिए, और अगर आपको उसमें आपके पापा को डायरेक्ट करना है
Like I need to direct my father. Okay.
so
So, see,
कैसा होगा वो प्रोसेस?
for both of the answers is going to be Phool Aur Angaar because that's my most favorite dad's film ever. So I would love to play his character, honestly, agar wo remake ho to. But if I have to direct him, it would again be that film only. And speaking of direction, I'm sorry I'm going a little bit off topic, but we did Haunted 2 recently.
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
finished shooting. So Vikram sir, who's doing the sequel, he comes up to me one day. He says, "Hey, Mimo, तेरे को director बनना चाहिए. तेरे में वो है." So I'm like, hearing that from Vikram Bhatt is a very
not
big
a
thing.
small thing.
Yeah, it's a very,
huge.
very big thing.
Yeah.
So you never know, maybe one day, I've not now, but eventually, yes, I will.
हॉरर फिल्मों की हम बात करते हैं, कौन सी हॉरर फिल्में हैं जो आपको बहुत पसंद है? वैसे मुझे जवाब पता है, बट
No, besides Haunted, you mean Bollywood में? Bollywood में,
बॉलीवुड, हॉलीवुड, there are a lot of series also अब तो.
yeah. No, see,
OTT
in
की वजह से,
in
हाँ.
Bollywood, of course, I'm not being biased, but I think Haunted has been one of the best films I've seen. But now it's going to be Haunted 2 because
Yeah.
I've shot the film, so
Ghosts of the past, right?
Ghosts of the Past, yes.
Yeah.
Very soon you're going to get a release date, you're going to get a poster of it, and people are very excited about about part 2. But when it comes to Hollywood, I've watched every horror film, whether it's even international Korean films I've watched, Thai films I've watched. But one film really sticks to me, it's Grave Encounters. I love that film. My God, I love found footage.
Yeah.
मुझे वो concept बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इंडिया में अब तक आया नहीं.
Paranormal Activity वाला जो है
exactly.
पूरा, हाँ.
Because you are one of the characters.
हमारे भूत थोड़े ट्रिकी होते हैं, वो सारे भाग जाते हैं कभी-कभी ऐसा.
सब में भागते हैं, सब में भागते हैं. But
Have you ever had any weird eerie
not
experience?
yet. I want to.
Same here.
वही तो प्रॉब्लम है ना कि सब में YouTube पे देखते, you know, me and Maddie we have this thing that we watch all horror movies together because she loves horror, and we watch all these ghost channels also together. हम लोग जब बैठ के खाना वाना खाते हैं, हम लोग ऑन कर लेते हैं, हम लोग देखते हैं, and then we say अरे ये फेक है, नहीं ये रियल है. So we debate on this, you know. Even horror games we sit and watch. Okay, I don't play horror games because I am very scared, but I love watching horror games. कि यार मेरे में टेंशन नहीं, रिमोट मेरे हाथ में नहीं. Let somebody else play.
उनको करने दो.
True.
Okay.
Yeah.
अगर आपको कोई भूत मिलेगा रियल लाइफ में, तो आप उसको क्या पूछेंगे?
I don't think I'll have the capacity to ask him.
डर मत जाना.
डरूंगा, of course डरूंगा. कौन है? देखो, बोलने में ना सब आसान होता है. क्यों मैं बोलूँ आपको? जैसे ना अभी हम लोग फिल्मों की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? अभी now it's been 17 years, I've done so much of work. Now it's second nature. बट अब मुझे याद है ही दी ओनली वन जो फिल्म नहीं बनी, उसके लिए मैंने फर्स्ट शॉट गाने में किया था. गाना का गान था, रेमो सर कोरियोग्राफर थे. मैं वैनिटी में हिल रहा हूँ, मैं काँप रहा हूँ. बिकॉज इमेजिन जो मैं बड़ा पड़ा हुआ हूँ फिल्मों के साथ, फाइनली मेरा फर्स्ट शॉट
हो रहा है,
तो वो होता ही है. तो अभी हम लोग जो भूत की बात कर रहे हैं ना कि यार मैं तो ये आई लव, सामने आ जाए ना सब ऑफ हो जाएगा, दिमाग सब ऑफ हो जाएगा. वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई एम टेलिंग यू.
या आई एग्री. सो मिमो, इट्स माइकल जैक्सन एंड मोहम्मद अली, राइट?
MIMOH.
वैसे तो आप महाअक्षय हैं
जी.
माइकल जैक्सन का तो हिस्सा थोड़ा बहुत तो है आप में.
वो गॉड है वो आदमी.
मोहम्मद अली का कितना है? किसी को मुक्का उक्का मारा है?
नहीं.
अच्छा,
मैं I've done mixed martial arts.
बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है यार. Such a good boy.
Thank you. No, but I'm a very big fan of mixed martial arts.
Yeah.
Yes, but the thing is, my skin has this keloid deficiency. क्या होता है कि now in physical sports, you know, you need to get hit and punched in the face.
हाँ.
बहुत से cuts होते हैं, bleeding होती है. तो मेरे skin का क्या है? Let's say if I would ever be a MMA fighter, मेरा full face would have been of scars because my skin doesn't stop clotting. Yes, it doesn't stop healing. So even when it comes to action and films, I have to be very, very careful.
Okay.
I cannot get punched in the face. I cannot even get touched. अगर कुछ हो जाए, then it can be into a very risky factor.
अरे तो आपके साथ रोमांस करना मुश्किल होगा ना?
छूना मना है. मैं एक फिल्म बनाऊंगा. डरना मना है, छूना मना है.
Oh, lovely.
छूना मना है.
छूना मना है.
Yes.
So I think we have spoken about a lot of things. आपको खाना क्या पसंद है?
I'm a big foodie. आप कुछ भी दो मैं खा लूंगा.
कुछ तो फेवरेट होगा ना.
Junk food. If you want me to pinpoint, it's junk food.
Really?
Yes, I love pizzas, I love burgers, I love ice creams. No, seriously, मतलब मुझे अगर like my first thought, like अभी क्या होता है, I found the hack, ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. क्या होता है रात को भूख लगती है ना, तो I go to YouTube और मेरे एल्गोरिथम सिर्फ खाने का है, ओके? लोग जो खा रहे हैं खाना, या सिर्फ लोग उनको देखकर मैं my brain gets satisfied. ये हैक है. It's not that I feel more hungry. My brain is satisfied कि यार कहीं ना कहीं मैंने खा लिया.
इसकी कुंडली चेक करवानी है मुझे.
It's a hack, trust me, because every रात को मुझे भूख लगती है ना, every रात को मैं जाके खोलता हूँ और मैं देखता हूँ इन लोगों को खाते हुए, and then I'm like satisfied. चलो मैंने इन लोगों ने मेरे लिए खा लिया. That way. सबको फॉलो करता हूँ, जितने भी फूड ब्लॉगर्स है सबको फॉलो करता हूँ. And there's just only वो जो होता है ना मग बैंग, वो बस खा रहे हैं उन लोग, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम लाइक उनकी करंची की आवाज आती है वैसे, satisfaction बस.
Wow.
Big foodie, anything and everything, and I can enjoy dal chawal also. Simple dal chawal though. And one thing I need to tell you, I think I've not told this in any interview. कच्चा आटा होता है ना, कच्चा आटा मैं जाके
गूंदा हुआ ना.
हाँ मतलब जो है फ्रिज में रख देते, मैं जाके उसको खा लेता हूँ. बचपन से मेरी आदत है. Trust me, I know this is very
gut is fine.
Absolutely fine. In fact, it's more better now because of that. But this is something I don't know. मुझे बचपन से like I used to go to my nani's house, my mom's mother's house, and whenever lunch would be prepared, I would go and eat आटा. मेरे को आटे खाने का, it's not like I do it every day.
थप्पड़ पड़ी है कभी?
This astonishment. ये क्या है?
क्या कर रहे हो?
This exactly ये क्या कर रहे हो? But I'm like just eating. This is like imagine इतना बड़ा foodie हूँ, unprepared food भी मैं खा लेता हूँ. This कभी कभार तो for the longest amount of time जैसे Horlicks, फिर आपका सेरेलैक, कितने सालों तक मैं खाता था, लाइक जस्ट टू मिक्स इट इन वाटर एंड ईट इट. फैसिनेशन, क्या करेंगे.
Okay.
That is on the weird boundary.
सेरेलैक थोड़ा ऐसा हो गया, हॉर्लिक्स तक ठीक है.
That is going little bit cringe, little red flag में जा रहा है.
बट ठीक है चलेगा. बाकी की चीजें ग्रीन.
You asked about food, you opened Pandora's box, तो फिर बोलना पड़ेगा.
I'm more than happy. At least you spoke about something else.
Exactly. I'm glad. I've never spoken about the कच्चा आटा to anyone. First time मैं बोल रहा हूँ. तो yes.
कच्चा आटा.
You cracked it. Yes.
Cracked. One advice that you've got from your dad, one advice that you've got from your mom, and आप उसको फॉलो करना ऐसा भूल गए और आपको लगा कि यार ये साला सुनना चाहिए था, मुझे अच्छी बात बोली थी उन्होंने.
See, नहीं, I think I still somewhere follow it. It's that mom ने जो मुझे कहा कि Mimo, you have chosen to be an actor. You have chosen this field. We never forced you. So now you have to be ready even for these consequences. You cannot expect everything to go your way. 99% it will not go your way. So you have to accept it. You can't come to us saying that, oh, what is happening to me. We will tell you quit. That will be our answer. We will never say नहीं तुमको करना ही पड़ेगा. That's mom's advice to me. And when it comes to dad ने ये कहा है कि whatever you do it with complete honesty. Don't pretend to be something you're not. I can't sit here and say that, I am Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm Mimo. Although Arnold Schwarzenegger and me share the same birthday, 30th July. Yes.
Sweet.
I'm a big fan of his. But still, what I'm trying to say is that never be somebody you're not. Don't be 99, be 100. Always give your 100% to anything. You don't want to do something, do it with 100%. You want to do something, do it with complete efficiency. Don't be half-baked, because उसमें किसी का फायदा नहीं.
As 2 questions. आपके पापा की कौन सी फिल्म आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगती है, वो तो आपने बताया.
मैंने बोल दिया.
एक फिल्म, बट और कोई मूवीज हैं?
जल्लाद, गुड़िया, मृग्या,
yeah.
Tahadir Kota. He played Ramakrishna Paramahansa when he won his 3rd National Award, Best Supporting Actor.
Yeah.
The movie was called Swami Vivekananda, but he played Ramakrishna. So Ramakrishna, OMG. So the list goes on. It's like amazing. All of them.
And who are your favorite actors? India, abroad?
In abroad, right now it's Jake Gyllenhaal, because I had the opportunity of seeing him because me and my siblings had gone for one of his movie premieres. So he was there for the questionnaire. So he was literally like 10 feet away from me. And again, like Jake Gyllenhaal, man. I mean, this guy he's one of the greatest actors in our generation. But so chill, coming and talking like how we are talking now. So I didn't meet him, but he's one of my most favorites. The ones I idolize in Hollywood is George Clooney. Like I like that man. Exactly. Like
I don't know whether I should say this on camera, but I was happy that he is separated from his wife. I was so happy.
Like imagine, like I read this. No, but I think he's gotten the best compliment ever. I'll tell you what. Like there was a like him when he was voted sexiest man alive, and for people, somebody wrote he said he's the ultimate spectrum in good looking. If he becomes more good looking, the spectrum will break and go back to ugly.
Exactly.
It's like उसके आगे कुछ है नहीं.
Yeah,
George
वो
Clooney-
पोर्टल टूट जाएगा ऐसा.
George Clooney is just George Clooney.
खत्म.
The man, the way he carries himself, I don't know what it is about him. I can't crack him. You know what I mean? Same thing goes for Bollywood with Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan.
God.
Hrithik Roshan, no, he's just perfect. The man, recently I saw a picture of him, he was walking in crutches. Usme bhi, he's so
Usme bhi.
perfect. I'm like,
Yeah,
I don't know what he is, but he's Hrithik Roshan.
that's the thing.
So for me, it's George Clooney and Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah, okay, lovely. So before I let you go, if you are interviewing yourself, what is that one question you would ask yourself?
What have I learnt? What am I still meaning to learn? I think that will be the right question. Because I think I always want to be a student.
Yeah.
Like even at home when I go, I'm doing courses online. I may not get degrees anymore, but I'm learning courses. I'm learning editing right now as we speak. I've learned sound corrections through apps. I have learned how to do audio mixing. It's just a passion.
Curiosity.
Yes, curiosity. So I always want to be a student. I never want to say that I have learned everything. Because today, if something I learn, tomorrow there'll be something
लंबी
more. I
रेस का
can learn.
घोड़ा है ये लड़का तो. Yeah.
Thank you. No, because like as you said, astrophysics,
Yeah.
as you mentioned, like universe is so big. There's something new to learn every day.
It's huge.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's not like I've learned everything. It's an example. We are part of the cosmos.
It's a process. You
Yes.
cannot stop.
You cannot stop, and you should never stop.
Evolving. Yeah.
Because the moment you stop, you're finished. Then you'll always be stuck there, and the world will move on. So I need to move on with the world.
I think I'll let you move on. I wish we can continue the conversation,
here,
but I'll
same
let
here.
you go. It was lovely talking to you.
Same here. Same
Thank
here.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.